Meaning of elevation.
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 Elevation. Elevation refers to the height of a location relative to a fixed reference point, such as sea level. It is often measured in meters or feet and is used in various applications, including aviation, mapping, and construction. The result of an elevation measurement provides a numerical value that indicates how high or low a particular location is situated. Knowing the elevation of a location can be important for determining the suitability for certain activities, such as building structures, planting crops, or navigating through mountainous terrain.